Hey, Mark from Union Home Mortgage. Today I want to talk about some updates to FHA's 203K renovation loans. Now, these changes will not come into effect until November of 2024. So the biggest change is on the limited, there's two types of 203K loans. There's the limited and the full or the standard. So the limited can only be used for minor remodeling or repairs. It is for non-structural repairs. And for the longest time, it was capped at $35,000 worth of repairs. And as we all know, costs for everything have gone up. So they finally got around to raising this. So in November, the cap goes from $35,000 to $75,000. Now, this is a long time coming, and we're real excited about this. And then the max rehab amount will now be evaluated on an annual basis. So it won't take forever to make these changes as the cost of living goes up and the cost of repairs go up. So there's a person called a HUD consultant. So they are licensed by HUD to work with you and the contractor to make sure that the work is done correctly to code and that you're protected and that we're protected. The HUD consultant is required on a standard, so that's anything over 75,000 or is structural in nature and is not required but may be used on a limited 203K. So on a standard, you can finance mortgage payments into the loan amount, again, up to that 75,000 cap. So this is when, if the repairs are so extensive that you can't live in the house for a certain period of time. So we'll figure out how long that period is, and we'll roll those months worth of mortgage payments into the mortgage so that you're not making those payments if you have to go rent on a short-term basis somewhere else. So on a standard rehab, the time that it takes to complete the repairs has been extended to 12 months. We know that over the last few years it's taken longer and longer to do repairs and do remodeling and to build. So FHA has extended this out to 12 months. And on the limited, they've extended this out to 9 months. So both of this, it's a good extension and should cover pretty much all repairs required. There are some additional changes, some fee changes. For the full list of changes, I've got the web address for the mortgagee letter that spells all of this out specifically, and I also include the link in my notes. If you have any questions about 203K rehab or any other programs, there are also rehab loans available for conventional financing and rural development financing. So give me a shout. We like to say that turn the house you like into the home you love. Give me a call, 248-705-8431. Have a great day.